2009 Pilracom 2-year-old X-rays. And the rough. Early lead is taken by Brother Barak Carriedo riding in second. And I storm on the outside. Matyaga is bringing up the rear. And rounding the fourth turn, it's Brother Barak by 2.5 lengths. Carriedo remains in second. And I storm in third. And Matyaga is bringing up the rear. The last bend for home, it is still Brother Barak in the lead, followed by Carriedo now moving up on the outside. Ice Storm closing in third on the inside. And Matyaga at the top of the stretch. Brother Barak in the lead, followed by Carriedo. Ice Storm on the farther outside. But it's still Brother Barak in the lead, followed by Carriedo on the outside. Ice Storm on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line is still Brother Barak. And finally, it's a cinch for entry number 2. Brother Barak, 2A Carriedo, Ice Storm, and Matyaga.